Afternoon TikTokers, it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and the second job of the day today is on the Jaguar, and let's have a look at the seats. Luckily it was next door to this one we did, which is a bit of a bonus. So let's have a look and see where we are then. So yep, you can see all down here, look, as well. Over here you can see it's probably about 10 years old this is, so you're going to get that over there like that. So we have to go round and have a look. Oh yeah, the bolster's really bad a little bit. Again, a lot of this is cosmetic, so we'll fill all this and we'll get it really nice and smooth. Get a good colour on here as well, and you should see a massive difference with this seat. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and all the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk. If you want to book us, 07904 640 389, and after video coming through soon, folks. Bye for now. Hi TikTokers, it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and we've finished this Jaguar now. Let's go and have a look at it. So if you have a look at the seat now, absolutely bang on, absolutely bang on. The guy is so chuffed with it. And let's have a look at the bolster. You can see now, look, absolutely bang on, all nice and dry, lovely finish on there. This is going to last a long time. Okay, it is all about the finishes really. A lot of people say to us, you know, how long will the job last? And we use everything from a real reputable company, and they're top quality finishes, and it's all about the finish. You can paint a car seat, but if you don't put a finish on, then it's going to be off almost straight away. But put a finish on, leave it 24, 48 hours, and basically, you know, they're as good as new seats. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, all the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk. If you want to book us, 07904 640 389, and let's have a look at the overall picture again. Lovely. Bye for now.